Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and I'm Nitin Parmar. My dear students, in this particular video, I'm going to talk about Christ University courses related to commerce, which is popularly known as BCom. Okay, so in case you wish to get into programs which are, you can say, related to CA, CS, commerce, accountancy, then these are the kind of programs available. I have already made a separate video for business management program. Please go through that. Okay. In case you are interested for a BBA program, there's a separate video available. Now here we are talking about, you can say, BCom. Okay, or commerce or any professional courses related to that. So this is a Christ University.in website. Here is a, you can say, admission button. You click on it, you click on undergraduate part, you come on this particular program list and you click on this undergraduate. So when you click on undergraduate, you get so many schools available. Okay, okay. I'm sure you already know that we have covered this, you can say, business management programs. Okay. Here I'm going to cover about School of Commerce, Finance and Accountancy. Those students who are interested to get into commerce, finance and accountancy, they must click on it and look at the programs available to you. Okay, wonderful programs. Okay, for example, there is one program called BBA Finance and Accountancy in Delhi campus. So BBA Finance and Accountancy Delhi campus is also available to you in a BBA course. Okay, here in a commerce also it is available. BCom Financial Analytics in Pune, Lavasa campus. BCom Normal, that is available. BCom Honors, that is available. BCom Honors in NCR. BCom in a morning batch in let's say Bangalore. BCom Professional. So when they say professional, it means they are going to teach you BCom. Okay. With that BCom, you are side by side able to carry out some courses related to CA and CS. So those certificate courses are also possible. Interestingly, Christ University has done wonderful activity as per the new education policy. So if you want to leave a college after a year, okay, you get certificate. You leave a college after 2 years, you get diploma. You want to leave a college after 3 years, which is you complete a course, then you get a degree. Okay, anyway, so point is, let's say I'm interested for a BCom program. Okay, so when I'm clicking on this BCom program, the dates are important for me. It all started from 11th of January. Okay, last date is 28th of April, which may they possibly change. Okay, that's possible. Okay, they may possibly change, you can say, and extend the date. Okay, first and foremost, okay, let me check about the selection process. So what is the selection process? Selection process is very simple. Okay, 3 parts: entrance test, okay, then micro presentation and personal interview, and the third is academic performance. So what do you mean by entrance test? Let's see what is there in the entrance test. Okay, okay. Do they really provide any information about entrance test? No, there is no information provided about entrance test. Okay, okay. So entrance test page is not mentioned here. Okay, so whatever is the entrance test process for a BBA program, okay, which is how it is applicable. Okay, is that very clear? Very important. No information is mentioned on their side about entrance test. Okay, very important. Okay, great. Okay, now this is application process. So application process details are provided here. You must know this. Okay, what is a fee structure? The fee structure for BCom program are this. Okay, 60,000 rupees for Karnataka student. Outside Karnataka student, it is 90,000 rupees. NRI students will pay 1,14,000 rupees. Okay, for SARC Africa PIO OCI student will be paying $2,000, and for, you can say, students outside all these countries will be paying $2,500 US dollars. Okay, this is how per annum fee structure is available. Okay, is that very clear to everyone? Great. Okay, application process has already started. Eligibility criteria is you must be a 12th standard student. Even IB board students can also apply. Okay, so here the selection process says that there is an online test, which is an entrance test. The students who will be shortlisted based on the entrance test will go for micro presentation and, you can say, personal interview. No details are provided about the entrance test, and I believe the exactly the same which is of BBA will be applicable to you. I hope it is very clear to you. So for a BCom program, if you are not interested for a management course and you are interested for such kind of professional programs which are connected to CSCS, is a good idea for you. Okay, in case you have a question or query about Christ University admission process, feel free and ask me on the comment box. I will be more than happy to respond to that. Okay, thank you very much for coming here and watching this, and don't miss out to subscribe this channel, because we are going to give you regular information about a lot of, you can say, colleges. Okay, thank you and all the best.